Hello everyone, this is an introductory video for this channel, and the first real repair that will be happening on this channel is this car, a N62 B48 or an N62 TU attached to the E65 750i from 2007. This car has quite a bit of problems where there is either this mounting bracket that's been haphazardly taken off, power steering reservoir also haphazardly taken off. It has a coolant leak, an oil leak, a power steering leak, and there is a lot of misfirings, either happening because of the Valvetronic motors not working right, or due to various vacuum leaks all around the engine. In this channel, we will be fixing the Valvetronic motors, the valve covers, valve cover seals, and then probably some valve stems. This will be coming out, this will be coming off, that will be coming off, both of them. And then basically the entire top of the engine will be taken apart in order to get down to the areas that we need to fix. And because of that power steering leak, we need to get down to there, which is where it's at. I don't exactly know what that pipe junction down there is called, but we do know it's leaking and it needs to be fixed. Other damages on this car range from various small dents all around the bodywork. There is a headlight that is very oxidized and very poor looking that will need to come out and be dealt with. And as you can tell, there is no bumper, but that is because some of these wires, one of the previous owners decided to rip apart or break or whatever happened, but they're broken. And that gets all the more apparent over here, where the entire mounting wire has various little bits of electrical tape thrown all over it, and there is more broken wires. This is the temperature sensor wire. There's also a fender liner mount that needs to be replaced, a headlight washer sprayer nozzle that needs to be replaced, and there are many other little things wrong on this car, with almost completely destroyed underbody panels. Then there is the front sway bar is cracked, leaking, and completely non-functional. And then one of the more apparent problems on this car is this. This will need a good bit of work, and we will either try to fix the door itself and just push this back out if possible, or we will have to buy a new door shell, and what will be videoed on this will be the complete removal and then disassembly and then reassembly and then reinstallation of this door panel for this car. Then when we work our way back to the trunk, another issue, battery's dead, but one of the issues with this car is the trunk does not stay open, as the power steering hydraulic line has a break in it somewhere, and so it doesn't stay up. Along with that, there are various other little things that I want to do to this car, and many other little mods that I believe will make this car quite the enjoyable thing to watch get done, but will also be pretty fun to drive around and cruise around with. Now, this car I managed to buy for $600, which for many of these cars is quite the steal for what is included in this, with the V8, one of the last V8 naturally aspirated V8 engines BMW ever made. But that $600 also entails that there are quite the few problems on this. Apart from the ones listed above, there is also no hood struts. And so, yeah, join me on this channel for the various episodes and the various little things that would be done to this car, such as fixing stuff, modifying stuff, and just general having fun with it. And with that, this introductory video is over. Please like and subscribe if you would like to follow me along with this journey. And I am sure you will like watching these just as much as I do enjoy fixing them.